ground blind is a camouflage cover that you sit inside of when you're waiting for animals like turkey or deer to come to you. Blinds protect you from the elements, they conceal your scent, and they hide your movements. This takes the pressure off you to be as still as a tree while you wait for fur or feathered traffic to roll through.
One of the best things about using a ground blind is you get to spend time with someone you actually want to hang out with, rather than that guy at the office you sit beside. So, soak it up. Hang out with an old friend, your dad, your kids, or a new friend. A ground blind is basically a big four. So go ahead, swap stories, make secret plans, just try to keep it down.
Where's the best place to set up your ground blind? The best case scenario is at the cross section of two game trails. This strategic positioning will double up the odds of a game animal walking by your blind. But no matter how prime the location is, you'll need to check that it's safe before you start to set up. Make sure you won't be in anyone else's line of fire. You also want to make sure that you won't be shooting toward other hunters, a road, or any obstacles.
The color and pattern of ground blinds are camouflaged, but the shape isn't. So in order to camouflage the shape, what you want to do is attach some tree branches or some leaves to the ground blind. Now you're going to be so well hidden that you're going to want to tie an orange indicator to the top, or possibly to a nearby tree. Now, this is a good practice because it might be required by your state, and for good reason, because you also want other hunters to know that there's someone hiding underneath all those sticks.